Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the scrolling direction in your documents and notebooks on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so I'm in my example document or notebook here on Goodnotes, in the desktop app of Goodnotes, and let's assume you rotated the page and now I would like to apply, let's say, a vertical or horizontal scrolling to scroll through a document from left to right or from top to the bottom. So to change that, you'll need to access your document settings here in the top right. And here at the bottom under settings, you will see scrolling direction. So you can switch between the aforementioned vertical and horizontal, and you will see the layout changing. So if I use my mouse wheel, for example, or browse through the page, through the document, I'll be given the opportunity to do that, for example, from left to right, or from top to bottom, or horizontally, vertically, and you may switch back to the other one, vertical, and there you go. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.